Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to do the Rose Bud Napkin Fold. Our step 1 is we're going to lay our napkin facing down. Step 2, we're going to grab the top right corner and we're going to bring that down to the left. Step 3, we're going to rotate the napkin so that the point is up at the top, the open end. Step 4, we're going to bring the right edge up to the point. Now flip your instructions over. Step 5, we're going to bring the left side up to the point. Using 2 hands, hold it in place. We're going to flip it. And now we're going to grab the bottom point and we're going to bring it up about 3/4 of the way up. Hold it flat. Now we're going to do another flip. And we're going to bring the edges around and we're going to tuck them in. Like so. This is the Rose Bud Napkin Fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.